Year 2025 is yours, AI video creators. The future of video is officially here, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. If you thought AI video generation was impressive last year, wait until you see what's possible now. We're talking about hyper-realistic, fully customizable, and incredibly fast video creation. For years, creating high-quality video meant expensive gear and complicated software. But that landscape is changing fast. We're in 2025 and AI is revolutionizing video creation. The tools now are democratizing video production. Imagine bringing any vision to life just by describing it. That's the promise of Google's latest offering, Veo 3. Veo 3 feels like a significant leap. It's designed to understand your creative intent and translate it into compelling video content. Imagine typing a sentence and watching it morph into a cinematic clip. Google has been a major player in AI research, and Veo 3 is a culmination of their work. This platform aims to be intuitive, powerful, and versatile. The goal is to generate video, capturing nuance, emotion, and style. This lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. Get ready because video creation is never going to be the same. So, what makes Google Veo 3 special? It's built around a few core features. First, its text-to-video capability. You type a description and Veo 3's AI generates video footage to match. Next, image to video. Upload a static image and Veo 3 can animate it. Then there's style transfer, allowing you to apply the aesthetic of one image or video to another. Finally, scene extension, intelligently adding more footage to your clips. How do you get your hands on Google Veo 3? As of mid-2025, access is typically through a web-based platform. Google has been rolling it out gradually, often starting with a waitlist. The user interface is clean and intuitive. You'll find a main dashboard for new projects, existing creations, and tutorials. Key areas include text prompts, image uploads, and style options. Navigating Veo 3 is straightforward, with settings for aspect ratio, video length, and more. The learning curve is gentle for beginners, with enough depth for experienced users. Your first masterpiece, crafting text-to-video with Veo 3. Navigate to the text-to-video section. The prompt box is your director's chair. Be detailed in your prompt. Instead of just typing a cat, try a fluffy ginger cat with bright green eyes playfully chasing a red laser dot across a sunlit wooden floor. The more information you provide, the better the output. Hit the generate button and be patient. Review the generated video carefully. Use this output as a learning experience. Refine your prompt and generate again. Each iteration will help you get closer to your vision. This is an iterative process. Beyond text, image to video, and style transfer magic. With image to video, start with a still picture. Upload it to Veo 3 and provide a simple prompt. Veo 3 animates the elements, bringing the scene to life. This feature adds motion to existing assets. Style transfer lets you apply the aesthetic of one image or video to another. Imagine transforming a simple video into a Monet painting. The content remains, but the aesthetic is transformed. Apply different artistic styles without manual recreation. This allows for rapid experimentation. It's like having an AI art director at your fingertips. The possibilities are virtually limitless. Pro tips. Elevating your Veo 3 creations. Specificity in your prompts is key. Experiment with keywords and phrasing. Certain words trigger different visual interpretations. Embrace iteration and refinement. Use each output as a stepping stone. Tweak the prompt to address specific elements. Generate multiple variations of the same idea. Think about practicalities like aspect ratios and video length. Combine AI with traditional editing for polished results. Veo 3 is a tool, not a complete replacement. This hybrid approach yields the most professional results. The future is now AI, Veo 3, and your creative journey. Tools like Google Veo 3 are reshaping video creation. The pace of AI development is astounding. The ability to conjure visuals from words is a paradigm shift. It's democratizing creativity on an unprecedented scale. The potential applications are vast. Independent filmmakers, marketers, educators, and artists can all benefit. Veo 3 is a catalyst for a new wave of visual storytelling. Important discussions about ethics and responsible use will continue. The creative empowerment is undeniable. If you have any interest in video creation, pay attention to AI video generation. The revolution is happening now, so be a part of it. And subscribe for more explainer video like this.